Hi everyone, this is a review of the Little Tikes Fold and Store picnic table with marker umbrella in brown. I've been using this table now for a few years and it's quickly become a favourite. I like to use it for outdoor family picnics, children's parties, and even fun for outdoors, colouring in, or whether it's snacks and play dates. It provides a perfect setup for various occasions, accommodating both kids and or adults comfortably. Some of the features that stand out to me include its durable plastic construction. It's quite sturdy. It can withstand the elements, and the table folds compactly. If you fold the legs in, I can't show you with one hand, but if you fold these legs inwards, it compacts quite small, and it makes it so helpful if you do want to store it away during the cold season. Now, the umbrella is quite easy to put down, so you simply just pull this lever down to hold it up and put this lever up, press this button here, and simply just close it down. And it's easy as that. And to take it off, just scrub it by the pole and pull it up. Easy as 1, 2, 3. It makes it a breeze, and the market umbrella provides ample shade, protecting everyone from the sun's rays. I appreciate the ease of assembly. It took less than 20 minutes to set up out of the box. In my experience with this so far, it's been fantastic. The children love having their own designated space to eat and play, and I love how easy it is to clean. The table's very sturdy, and even with multiple kids climbing on and off it, it remains stable. The umbrella is a great addition, making it more comfortable on those hot sunny days. If you are looking for a picnic table that's perfect for indoors or outdoors, and it's easy to move around and store away, my family highly recommend the Little Tikes Fold and Store picnic table with marker umbrella. It's a great investment for your family, for fun, also fun for outdoor activities. Also great for indoor or outdoor activities.